What a beautiful day for a walk on the beach, Clifford.
It sure is, Kerm.
Ooh. What was that?
Man, those are some crazy clams, Kerm.
Yeah, but it's kind of fun. Ooh. That's the funniest sound I ever heard.
Yeah.
I didn't know clams made noises like that.
Get down, Kerm.
Hey. Wow. Hey, this is fun.
Yeah.
Funniest sound I ever heard. Now I can't understand a single word. Is he serious or is he playing? I don't know. Now is all he's saying.
Harmonizing clams. Wow. I've heard everything.
Hey, maybe you should invite to the beach. Maybe you should invite those guys to the club. Maybe you should guys to invite those at Jamaica at the party.
Don't you go and tell me the same old thing. What you saying? I can't figure out. You got a sound that makes me stop and shout.
Let's sing along, Kerm.
Why not? Ooh, mow, papa, ooh, mow, mow. Ooh, mow, mow, papa, ooh, mow, mow. Ooh, mow, mow, papa, ooh, mow, mow. That's fun. Ooh, mow, papa, ooh, mow, mow.
You know what? I play with most instruments with my friends too.
Pretty good, Kerm.
Thank you.
Now I hear this sound everywhere I go. On records, TV, and radio. Now it's spreading all over the land. Still can't seem to
Hey, maybe we should invite these guys to the clam bake.
No, I don't think that'll work, Kerm.